please let me share with you my enchanting experience in Kyoto, Japan, which I guess I will remember for a really long time. Before I get into the details of my experience of visiting this beautiful city, I'd like to thank you for the time and opportunity to let me talk about it. Kyoto is a city steeped in rich history and culture, with its serene temples, lush gardens, and traditional tea houses. Upon arriving in Kyoto, I was immediately struck by the city's timeless beauty and elegance. The streets are lined with traditional wooden houses, adorned with intricate details and surrounded by colorful gardens. The city's historical charm is palpable as you wander through its ancient alleyways and narrow lanes. One of the highlights of my visit to Kyoto was exploring its magnificent temples and shrines. I had the opportunity to visit iconic sites such as the breathtaking Kinkaku-ji, also known as the Golden Pavilion, where the majestic temple is reflected in the tranquil waters of its surrounding pond. Additionally, I explored the serene Ryanji Temple, famous for its Zen rock garden, which exudes a sense of calm and tranquility. Another aspect of Kyoto that captivated me was its vibrant traditional culture. I had the chance to witness a mesmerizing tea ceremony, where every movement was choreographed with grace and precision, and I participated in a traditional Japanese cooking class, learning the art of preparing sushi and tempura. Furthermore, Kyoto's natural beauty is truly awe-inspiring. The city is nestled amidst scenic mountains and surrounded by picturesque bamboo forests. One of my most memorable experiences was taking a leisurely stroll through the enchanting Arashiyama Bamboo Grove, where the towering bamboo stalks sway gently in the breeze, creating a surreal and magical atmosphere. What sets Kyoto apart is its ability to seamlessly blend its rich cultural heritage with modernity, and my visit to Kyoto was a journey back in time to a world of timeless beauty and elegance.